Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how can we add an admin to our Instagram account. So we must have connected our Instagram account with our Facebook. So let's get started our video that how can we do this. First of all, you must have an app which is named as Business Suite Page Manager. Search it from your Play Store or App Store, install and simply open it like this. And after login by your Facebook or the Instagram password and the Gmail, you can see here my Facebook page. So let's move on. What is the next step? We have to click on the three lines at the top left corner of the page, then click on the settings and you will find here such type of the interface. Then you have to connect account here and then confirm it, and then this type of interface will open in front of you. Then give here the Instagram account ID or phone number or the username with password, and then simply login. After that, simply click on the not now and OK, and then also here your Instagram connected to Facebook, and then go back at your home page. Then click on the three lines at the bottom and then click on the settings option here, and you will find such type of the interface here. Then click on the edit page roles, you will find such type of the interface. Then click on add person to page and type the name of the user that you want to add as an admin to your account, and here simply just click on the admin option, and yes, you have done it. You have successfully made this person your admin. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video a lot. Subscribe my channel, let me guide, and give this video thumbs up. Thanks for